This unit covers residential stairs. Go to Lessons 2019, open up stair calculation, open up this Word document, and you will see that a lot of information is actually there. So essentially I went to Building International Residential Code, pulled out some critical information and translated into the drawing. Essentially you want to learn that how much is your minimum requirement for width of the stair. Absolute minimum requirement for the width of the stair is 36 inches. Riser is 7 3/4 of an inch. Maximum riser, minimum tread is 10 inches. If you draw an imaginary line connecting the tip of the risers from those imaginary lines, that imaginary line straight up gives you the distance for the railing height, minimum of 34 inches, maximum of 38 inches. From that imaginary line straight up gives you minimum clearance height for residential 6 foot 8 inches. So if you take that and actually start the calculation, you'll see that if we have floor-to-floor height of 9 feet, multiplying it by 12 inch, we get 108 inches. We're just simply converting it into inches. We then take 108 divided by 7.7, maximum riser per riser gives us 13.9. That we cannot have because we can't have fraction of stairs. So we can then take 108 divided by 14, it gives us the number of the risers, 7.71 riser each. We then take 14 risers, we say we have one less tread, multiplied by 10 inch for each tread, gives us a total of 130 inches. Distance from first riser to last riser is 10 feet 10 inches. We could do the same thing and get a more exact number. Here's what we can do. 7.75 inches exact. Multiplied by 14 risers, it gives us 108.5. That means we add actually half an inch, and that could be easily another piece of plywood or some additional hard flooring on that level. So that's where we actually get started. We then go to our Revit and we draw a floor, and we try to draw it at 3 feet height. Alright, just draw anything, you want it only 3 feet. Alrighty, and you would like it to be 10 foot 10 inches. 10 foot 10 inches. Foot 10 inches. And so that's the outline of your stairs. It gives you a sense of how much is the stairs. You then want to zoom closer and draw a reference plane. So we go Architecture, Reference Plane. Right along here. Remember, without a name it means nothing. So you then pick the reference plane. Here we go. Name it. Stairs. You then cut a section in the direction of the reference plane. If it's going the opposite direction, what do? You flip it. There we go. And we're ready to go. So click the section. Here we go. And go on the section, enlarge it. You see the floor. So draw a basic line. Doesn't matter how much. Pick that line. Pick that line. Pick the line and offset it the floor-to-floor height that you want, which is actually 9 feet 0.5 inches. 9 feet and half inches. Pick the line, and that's where it is. Then simply go again to Architecture. Draw a line from here to here. That's your first riser. Okay. That's your last riser location. Go up first riser, 7.75 inches exact. Connect the first line to the last line, and simply draw the outline by going over 10 inches, up 7.75 inches, and it should sit directly on that line. You can simply then copy these lines, copy these, and connect them from there to there. Make sure as you're copying, Constraint is off, multiple is on. Simply copy and connect. Make sure you see it very accurately. Move further up, copy very accurately. Make sure you see the square. There, 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 and the very last one. It should be exactly right there. Here's your copy from here to make sure you see it, and perfect. It just fits. Now you can actually create your component. Model in place. It's a set of stairs, so you look for stairs. You say OK, gives you a name, you accept it, and you simply draw an outline for your extrusion. You can actually copy these lines if you wish, one at a time, or you can copy and paste, however is more convenient to you. You can do it that way. Here we go. Or you can just simply copy a whole bunch of these lines. I'm going to just copy these. Copy from this junction. Make sure it's very accurate and make sure it's not double because it's going to come back and haunt you. Alrighty, get rid of the extras like this. Now, we actually would like to get this line, which is that important imaginary line, offset at 1 foot because it's usually a cutout for 1 foot. Come back and finish this detail right there and clean it up there and draw this line at the bottom. It needs to be completely enclosed, cleaned up. We have one extra line. It's this one. We get rid of it. That's the outline of the stairs. The stairs are 3 feet, so we want to make sure that we extrude them in 3 feet, ready to go. Then we look at the level 1. We see the stairs are drawn very accurately right there, and they are finished. Let's take a look at them in 3D. There they are, completed accurately.